tornado rushing down in the streets of Oklahoma. Chinese facing a devastating cyclone. Dust storm roaring in Sahara. Or magical aurora lights in the skies of Arctic. Weather has long been a favorite topic of conversation, but some weather really is worth talking about. Earth's climate systems are extraordinarily complex, producing strangest weather and climate conditions of all varieties. Predicting the weather even a few days into the future remains an imperfect science riddle, with challenges only made larger by climate change. Some weather events would take even the most experienced weather watcher by surprise. These are some of the weirdest known weather phenomena. Fire tornadoes or firewheels are most common in large-scale wildfires and are not actually tornadoes but swirls that suck in gases and combustible materials. They can last for an hour or more and the temperature can reach over 1000 degrees inside. Sometimes you might even see a much smaller firewheel from a small bonfire. Essentially, a microburst is a smaller version of a downburst. A downburst is a very much opposite of a tornado, in that instead of the wind pulling air to a central point and then sucking it up from the ground, a downburst drops the air and forces it out in all directions once it reaches the ground. This can lead to a lot of strong winds bursting out from a single point. Wet downbursts are associated with large amounts of rainfall during a thunderstorm, while a microburst is the same but on a smaller level, but both are very visually impressive, especially when seen with lightning at the same time. Unlike what we would regard as normal lightning, sprites occur way up in the Earth's atmosphere at about 50 to 90 kilometers above us. That's why images of them are rarely captured. Sprites are a kind of cold plasma discharge that occur above a thundercloud. As nature's way of balancing out, the positive lightning charges are released between the thundercloud and the ground below. The artificial lights on the ground are making it difficult for us to see these weather events. Well, better lighting techniques can help keep the light on the ground and out of the sky. Twin tornadoes are incredibly rare and you can be waiting a decade to see one, so a good reason we put them in this list. A twin tornado forms from the same storm supercell, so a storm has to be very violent for a twin to form. It is thought that two funnels can be visible during a crossover period, where a new tornado forms as the old one dies out. It can also occur when a funnel is so strong that another, less powerful funnel can form from the vortices being generated by the first. Also known as a hole punch cloud or a cloud canal, a Fallstreak are thought to appear when the water temperature in the cloud is freezing but hasn't formed ice. When ice crystals do form, which can be helped by things like a passing plane, it sets off a chain reaction which can lead to water droplets evaporating and leaving a massive hole behind. Because of their strange appearance and rarity, their formation has been known to be incorrectly blamed on UFOs. Another rare phenomena but no less dangerous, tornadic waterspouts can suck fish out of the water, carry them into the cloud and deposit them on the land, and it would be raining fish. Which one of these do you think is the most weirdest? That'll be it for this video. Hit like and stay tuned if you want more of this interesting content.